I don't know why the governor and the local government chairman are not doing anything about it. So this is a cry to the governor to actually look into this road. This road has been bad for more than 8 years, and it's something that the governor should look into. You can see businesses. This bad road has affected some businesses, and today is about this Maryland road that's from Timber to Ugwaji. This road has been bad for more than 8 years, and the governor and the councillor or whoever is in charge of this area is not doing something about it. And that's why I took it upon myself to make this video and to tag anybody necessary. So if you know anyone who needs to be tagged on this video, just tag them in the comment section. Let them get to work and do something about it. All right, watch the video. Well done. Let me tell you. So these people who did not try it, they maintain the road. If not for these people, this road would get very bad. And I don't know why the governor and the local government chairman are not doing anything about it. So this is a cry to the governor to actually look into this road. This road has been bad for more than 8 years, and it's something that the governor should look into. You can see businesses. This bad road has affected some businesses, and dust and everything, and which is not something we should be talking about in 2024. And coupled with that, we have a governor that has a good taste of quality, right? A good test of quality, which this should not be a big problem. I know he has been doing a lot of work already in Enugu, but you should add this also to the work he's doing. And most of these streets you see are not tarred. I don't know why governors are not looking into some streets to tar the streets. Yeah, I don't know why. But this is it. I think most of the bad areas have passed it, and I'm calling out on Governor Pitamba to actually look into these roads and do something about it, because we have suffered so much, and we are only pleading that he listen to our cry as his sons, to actually help us move forward, right? Thank you very much, and see you on my next video.